Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you how to fix shaky video or shaky footage in CapCut video editing app without any stress. Let me show you how. Just like what you see right here, this particular footage here is not perfect, stable. You can see as a result of movement of camera here and there. So we want to see how we can simply fix this particular little problem with CapCut video editing app. So let's go. Next thing you want to do is to make sure the video is selected, and then next thing you want to do is to come down below right there, slide in this way on the bottom right here. You need to slide, you need to slide, you need to slide, you need to slide, you need to slide until you get to stabilize right here. So go ahead and click on it, stabilize. Then you can work on the slider right here and drag to different position of your choice. So here, minimal cropping recommended, most stable. So just drag to recommended right here. Stabilizing your video may take a little longer to process, but you can still edit your video in the meantime. Go ahead and click on OK. You can see stabilizing. Boom. Then let's go ahead and play the video. So we still need to improve on the stabilize. So for that, just go ahead and drag this slider towards the end of the clip and then apply. Then let's play the video. Just like so. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on this check mark right here. Go ahead and click on this check mark. Just like so. Now we have the video stable a little bit right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.